My three words to sum up Foodex would be dynamic, innovative and exciting.
The Foodex show is fascinating, it's collaborative and it's innovative.
Inspiring, invaluable, and it's an experience.
Innovative, creative and modern. You're never going to develop if you don't come and see it for yourself.
The Foodex show would be high on anyone's priority for accessibility, innovation and just coming along to see what's available.
The Foodex show is comprehensive, offers a wide range of interesting topics and is of a scale that makes it worth visiting.
Innovation, processes and knowledge.
It's great to have direct contact, wide-ranging and a lot of fun as well.
My three words to sum up Foodex are very large, unmissable, technologically advanced show.
Interesting, innovation and fun.
Innovative, interesting and diverse.
My three words to sum up the show are exciting, positioning, networking.